Hello, friends. Welcome to Convento de Serta. We are staying in a convent here in Serta, which is a small town in central Portugal. We are here today to make sheep cheese. Now, I'm not sure what that's going to entail. I think there will be some, sheep involved, but we're going to a farm. Today we're going to have a very sort of traditional Portuguese farm type agricultural experience. So we're looking forward to that. We hope you are too. It was a great day. Yesterday we were in Coimbra and saw the University of Coimbra, and that was just stunning. And that's sort of the focus of that town. And it has a Baroque library that is now a museum. It used to be an actual library for the school from the late 1700s until I think the 1970s. But now it's a museum, and it is beautiful. The gold leaf and the frescoes. It's the cathedral to literacy and learning. Really spectacular. We enjoyed that very much. So tonight we're in Serta. We're staying at this convent. It's very interesting. There's a lot of stone. It's a little bit austere, as you would expect in a convent, but they've softened it up by putting local artists' art all throughout the convent. So it's lovely, really. And we were here last night. We're going to be here tonight, and then from here we move on closer to Lisbon. So very exciting. We've enjoyed Portugal very, very much. The food here is spectacular. The fish, the fruit, the pastries, really lovely. Lots of cypress, lots of olive trees, lots of orange trees, lots of lemon trees, lime trees, all sorts of beauty around us. So stick with us, like and subscribe, and come with us and see the sheep and the sheep cheese. See how we do making our cheese.
So off we go to pick the cheese, or to make the cheese,
I don't want
to make the cheese, to pick the cheese, whatever. Anyway, what an interesting turn of events.
And how about the hat, huh?
Anyway, there was some confusion this morning. We were up at 9 thinking we were up at 7 thinking we're meeting our guide here at 9, but he has a different itinerary than we do, so
Casa Morgado, não é?
Exatamente, entra aí para dentro e vai até ao fundo. Vai lá até ao fundo. Lá ao fundo é que está a queijaria e está lá a minha mãe a fazer os queijos.
I think there's the question of, do they speak Portuguese, and we do not, and the men, the people that are supposed to be there, I guess they help us, are not there.
Sim. Em direção direita, não é? Deixa-me falar com os clientes que eles já estão a ficar desesperados e eu não lhes digo nada. Está bem? Alguma coisa ali para este número. Tá? Obrigado. So.
So what's happening?
Nothing. You are in the real place. Okay. So the guy, I don't know who. He don't tell me who. It was this week to booking your place, your visit today, 11 o'clock of 24th of June. You don't call him.
Okay.
So you are not here. You are like 1 hour way drive. Okay. But he tell me you go in with the clients. I have to speak with her mother. Are making the cheese and everything her mother tell me,
you explain to us.
Explain to you in English.
Okay.
So I go charge more.
Oh my goodness, okay. And the thing is, we didn't even care about the cheese.
This is okay. Well, this place is beautiful.
Yeah, it's original, typical from either the door.
Hey, buddy.
the
Hello. 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 It's a welcoming party. How are you? Thank you for having us. There's a defender. Hey, doggy.
Crazy American.
So, we're gonna try to make this
Make
work.
this work. So here's the deal. The guy who was supposed to be here who speaks English to work with us to make the cheese isn't here because the guy forgot to book him for today. The guy at the local Portugal travel person forgot to book him for today. So the mother, I think, is going to work with us on the cheese, and the driver guide is going to translate for us about the cheese. I think that's what's happening. The irony here is that we didn't care about making cheese anyway. Like, we could have slept in today, had a nice coffee, you know, walked around Serta, and then been on our way because it's really not a 2-night kind of a place. It's more of a 1-night kind of a place, and we would have had extra time in some other beautiful places. But here we are. So,
But it's a beautiful place.
It's wonderful.
Beautiful place. Like there's pumpkins right here.
I know. I was taking pictures of them. Pumpkin flowers. Pumpkins laying in the grass there. Cabbage. And there's, I don't know what those are, but there's something. And there's grapes. And there's oranges.
Onions?
Are they onions?
Yeah, those are onions.
What are the,
Those are cabbages.
those are cabbage, yeah.
And that's lettuce.
It's like a real farm.
There's lettuce. And here you have carrots.
Carrot?
Yeah. You have some kind of peppers. And then you have beans over here. And you have tomatoes. And you have pumpkins on the back there. And then you have grapes. So this is sheep's cheese.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a mix of 2 milks.
2 milk.
Yeah.
But both from sheep.
Yes.
So sheep produce different kinds of milk, or?
No, it is the sheep and the just a minute. Goat.
Goat?
A combination.
Okay.
Combination of sheep and goat.
So what's the difference between the two? Is this older than that?
No, this is a mix.
Okay. And that's not.
Senhora, desculpe. Os de lá mais amarelos é de quê? De ovelha ou de. É tudo igual, é mistura? Porquê que um está mais branco e outro está mais amarelo?
Meu amigo, porque o foi feito só um tonto. Conforme os dias.
Então qual é que é o mais velho?
O que é mais velho é aquele das paredes.
Ficou amarelo. So this is new and more time they are curing. Okay? They keep it yellow.
Oh,
They
okay.
start dry, like you start see.
Yeah.
Lisboa de propósito aqui.
She's saying these crazy people come all the way from America to see my sheep's cheese.
She say they go full the freezer
They fill it.
and tomorrow it's empty again.
Ah, okay.
And this is the new one they just made?
Este já era de 2 dias, saiu, para se pôr mais sal e para secar para ficar como aqueles.
You have 2 days
Já não vou vender este como fresco.
and they are very salty. Okay, so she are prepared to dry because if she don't sell it because it's fresh, she dry it. They put salt like
Okay.
the conserve of
Yeah,
the codfish.
I
Okay,
see.
and they go make it the same.
Okay.
So she sells out of the refrigerator what's fresh.
Fresh with not salt.
Without the salt.
Salt.
Okay.
And
If
then
she don't sell after
she
2
doesn't
days,
sell it, she salts it
after 2 days,
2 days and moves it here.
yeah,
Okay.
put salt, a lot of salt, and
Put it there.
why we eat cheese and fat.
Se eles querem provar.
You want to try
Sure.
Querem.
See?
Com pão ou só assim?
with bread?
Okay.
Normal we
Please, you eat with
we
bread,
follow
right?
with bread.
Yes. See.
Pode ser
Só assim ou com pão?
com pão. Pãozinho. This is the process like you
Vais
see.
enchendo os X todos para a pinha.
You see the process?
Salad de fabrico.
Exactly.
Hola.
This is the process
Buen
with the
día.
oil, you see? They put like the past of the cheese. They are remove the liquid, the water. See?
Oh. So gravity takes the water that way.
Handmade. Everything handmade. Like
Handmade, yeah.
And after when the water finish, they start to put on the forms. Okay?
Make the cheese, make the cheese. This is the way they make the cheese. In Portugal this morning.
They're like, why are these people looking at us making the cheese? What? What kind of nonsense is this? That's what they're thinking right now. Yeah, I know she is.
And then how long till it gets curds?
Quanto tempo fica ali o leite? 2 horas.
2 days?
No, 2 hours.
2 hours.
Yeah.
Wow.
And the process cannot fail the time, you know. She want to make it at 11 and now it is 11:30. The lady already start to be preoccupied and the ladies start to work faster.
So they have to
don't
work.
don't miss
The opportunity of
the milk.
wow, that's fast.
Yeah. The wine neither the lady make it here.
Yes.
So going to be like maybe 15 or 16 degrees alcohol.
Okay.
Okay, that's alcohol.
What are
So,
we doing?
wine. She makes the wine here.
Oh my god, wow.
So, we're trying the cheese that they're making, the goat cheese, on some bread. Very fresh.
Fresh.
You don't eat more?
It's very good.
What is offered, you must eat. Yeah. My heritage is Italian. Oh, get it. Mangia è stata zitto. So, one of the things that surprises me about this, I think because it's fresh, it doesn't have a lot of depth. It doesn't have a lot of flavor.
Yeah.
That's what I mean about, like, it's like mozzarella. It's fresh cheese, so it's not, a lot of the flavor of cheese comes from the
it's-
aging.
Yeah, it's what you get is the texture
Yeah.
and the flavor of the goat meat,
Look the flavor of the bread.
the flavor of the goat milk, not the meat. The milk,
Yeah.
the texture of that creamy cheese, very good, very fresh.
The bread, too, is everything here's coming.
Fresh bread.
You know abóbora?
She's
The
about to
orange
bring us wine.
vegetarian.
What is it? Pumpkin. Oh, pumpkin, yeah.
Juice
Oh, the pumpkin jam.
with this.
Oh, now you tell me.
Now you're talking.
You never tried?
Yeah, I tried the pumpkin jelly the other day for the first time.
With the with the cheese.
No, with
You
bread.
have to hit. No, you have to hit with the cheese.
Okay.
Fresh cheese.
Yeah.
Okay. Not,
had it
the
not
normal
with fresh,
cheese
but I
is
had it with some
a
other
big
cheese.
contrast because it's very salty.
Yeah.
Very sweet, yeah.
Very sweet. Oh, it's a shock on the stomach. Okay.
Yeah.
But
I
with the
can
fresh,
see how with the fresh it would
Yeah.
be spectacular.
That sounds good.
It would
believe
need a lot of
you have
yeah.
to move to Portugal if you like food. You don't know what we do.
Yeah.
It's amazing. I don't
You
know.
all eat a lot of cheese here.
You don't
Yeah.
know. I don't know all my food to have an idea. Okay.
You don't know all your food.
There's a cheese like this. We had it in Porto. Like you take it with a knife. You scoop out the center.
Looks like a cream.
Yeah.
Very heavy.
Oh, so good though.
It's from the mountains on that direction.
Yeah, but that's
Yeah.
sheep's too. That's sheep cheese too. They said. You put that on a smear. They had this bread with the Iberian ham in it, and you put a smear of that on there. Oh,
It's very,
so good.
it's very heavy.
So good,
Be careful with that cheese. Cholesterol. Oh,
but good. But that was just sheep. This is sheep.
everything is good, damaged.
Yeah, right. That's true. But this is sheep and goat, right? This is combined sheep and goat. So.
Like 10 cheese.
So they have to empty that thing, everything.
Quickly.
Wow, that's a lot of work.
Within a couple of hours, that's what he's saying, when it starts to turn.
They have a long way to go.
Well, I don't think that thing goes all the way down. There's a floor there.
This here go all the way down? Yeah. See? It's deep. It's deep, yeah. You see the faucet at the bottom?
Oh, wow.
Não, aqui.
See,
Ah,
50 liters more or less.
moeda.
goes all the way down to there. Wow. Wow, they have a lot to do
Yeah.
still.
And it's just the two of them.
Yeah, that's amazing. What do they? There's something wrapped around the.
That side to press.
But like this
To
is.
don't damage.
Oh, the cheesecloth?
Is it cheesecloth or paper or this?
This is paper.
This is
Or
paper?
textile. No, it's a very smooth textile.
It's a cloth. Yeah.
To keep it
To keep
Yeah.
it together.
and protect it.
So, but that's not in there. That
No,
goes
no,
on
No, you gotta
after.
wait till it hardens.
Only, this is the fresh.
Right. Okay.
If she don't sell it,
Then she wrap it
put
and
a
she.
salt,
I see.
a lot
Okay.
of salt,
Okay.
and,
wrap it and
conserve
put it.
to dry.
Yeah. Okay.
Well, you have a souvenir.
Oh, she's giving you cheese.
Obrigada. Algum dia ainda vão queijos daqui para a mãe.
Hã?
Algum dia ainda nos vão levar queijos daqui.
Para a América.
Sim, quando as vi.
She asked if you go take some cheese from here to take in your home or in your
America.
business.
Yeah.
Okay. But they,
She
I
has-
don't,
she
I
has.
don't know if they'll let me take it on the plane.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
O problema é transportar no avião.
Yeah.
Aqueles bandidos lá não
Yeah.
deixam ninguém. Só deixam levar no estômago.
Yeah.
But we can eat it here.
But I can eat it, so it's in my stomach, then I'll take it with me.
You want to be on time on the restaurant at 12 o'clock or?
Okay.
It's not far away, so
Yeah. No big rush.
what do you think?
A tia Augusta, que se chama o restaurante.
It's
a tia
good.
Augusta.
It's really good.
Yeah.
Minha avó.
Ah, é?
And she
The restaurant
makes
you go,
she
it
makes
is
the wine,
sister.
the bread, the cheese.
Só que ela foi uma mulher com muita estimação naquela terra e os donos do restaurante compraram a casa e quiseram pôr o restaurante o
Com o
nome
nome
da
da
casa da
senhora.
tia Augusta. Sim.
Mas já não tem nada a ver com a irmã da sua avó.
Não, ela já morreu há quantos
Ok.
anos e venderam-lhe a casa.
Da-
Só quando eu vim para aqui, eu vim falar a tia Augusta, que eu era do Conselho da Sertã, longe daqui, é que disse, olha, a tia Augusta era a tal irmã da minha avó.
So everything have a history. The house where you go have the lunch, the Augusta restaurant, it was the house belongs to the sister of grandmother of this lady. So everything belongs to the
Everything's
land.
connected,
Okay.
yeah.
So after a couple buy the house, make it a restaurant, and give the name of the lady, Tia Augusta.
Oh, okay.
That's very
So in
nice.
Portugal the things works too much like this.
Yeah.
It's like if you are in a few points neighbors in the city, alegria, happy. Alegria, everything it is alegria. It is the hotel, it is the supermarket, it is the restaurant, it is the pharmacy, it is the square, everything use the same name.
Oh,
That's nice.
Okay? Alegria, it is a
yeah.
What do you think about wine? It's stronger?
It's wonderful. It's very good.
Smooth?
Yeah, very smooth. It's very good. Does she sell her wine?
Vinwin,
She just makes it for herself.
only for the specials.
So you can tell her I have relatives in Italy, in Umbria, who do the same. They have vineyard just for themselves, and they just make and bottle the
It's
wine.
because
for
they are
themselves.
Mediterraneans like us.
Yeah, exactly.
We are
yeah.
Latinos too,
Yeah.
Portuguese, Spanish and Italian.
Yeah, yeah.
Either
exactly.
the French are in the middle, the French language coming by the Latin.
Yeah.
You only need to change the accents.
Bom dia.
Sr. Regino,
Bom dia.
chegou a horas, hein? Just arrived at time.
Oh, it's for you to be here today to...
Yes,
Okay.
this is Mr. Regino.
Oh,
What do you have
hi.
in your program?
Hola. Bom dia.
Ele é que é o filho e o dono, sabe?
Her son.
Ela é que é a
filho.
mestre, ela é que é o
O filho.
filho. E ela é que é a mestre dos cães, já lhes
Mas ele é que é
explicou.
o dono.
Já.
Ele é que é o dono.
This is her son.
Ele é o que quer os queijos e as cabras. Ele é que gosta.
I see the family resemblance.
Yeah.
Your mother is lovely. Just lovely.
Gostaram
Please
muito de
thank her
queijos
so
e
much for
vinhos.
us.
Olha aqui, ó. Estás a ver? Estas borrachas já saíram todas, ó. Já secaram, já saíram, estás a perceber?
Sim, mas
So what year
Eu
is
estou a
this?
tratá-lo por tu.
Não faz mal, não tem nada a ver. Isto é
What year?
97, não é?
É 97.
97,
97, okay.
like I tell you.
So this is what it feels like to be in the original Defender. It's very different from
Se calhar,
the new ones.
blocos que és.
Like I can reach and touch the other side.
Ver como é que está as bolachas do diferencial. Você já uma vez mudou.
This is a 1997 Land Rover Defender 90
Como nos carros, não esquece.
in Portugal.
Aqui parece uma ambulância.
Like the room between my
Dar essas coisas.
shoulder and the door,
Isto tudo só vem.
it's right there. It's like being in a smart car. Like your shoulders right leaning up against the wall there. Wipers, cigarette lighter. There's your air conditioning. You got your gauges
Uma Lancer, sim.
Uma pick-up que é dois lugares normais e dois encostados atrás. A cabina não é
and your warning lights at the bottom there.
normal. O carro tem.
You got your headlights, indicators, battery warning, oil, seat belt, parking light. That's a trailer.
12.000, se quiser.
You got the four-wheel drive system. You got your vents. It's a manual. It's a 5-speed. And you got your low gears there. This is a farm vehicle, as you can see. So, got bench seats in the back. This is more of your original Land Rover Defender. This is a 90. So on the hood,
Depois é assim.
this is a TDI.
Yes.
Yeah,
Turbo diesel
yeah.
injection.
It's a 5-cylinder.
No,
It's
4.
4. Okay.
Looks like when you looks like a BMW engine.
It's nice.
Here, family thing, like the vineyards, the farms. The next generation never says, "Yeah, I don't wanna." Like
You just do it.
they just do it. It's just like he's a teacher, but he also runs because that's what his family does.
Yeah.
There's
Hey, Nina.
a connective tissue here that way that we don't really have as much in the state. I think that's a shame.
Hey. Oh.
Oh wow! Look at that.
Hello.
These are the goats, right? Yeah, these are goats.
Yeah.
Not sheep.
The dog is like, hey, stop looking at the car. Scratch my head. Yeah, every time I stop petting him, he comes over, he follows me, and he scratch. He puts his paw up, and he's,
Pet the dog and look
come on, buddy. Okay.
Now go to him. He's the dog first.
Yeah, a beautiful doghouse. This is his house. It's a metal cage, but then all these beautiful plants have grown around it, and that's his house. This is where he chills.